Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am Sarah.
And I am Davis. We are so happy to see you. Grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's chat.
Today, we are going to fix a big problem. Davis, do you know the robot mode?
Robot mode? You mean when I speak like this? Hello? How are you?
Yes, but it is not just the sound, it is what happens inside your head. Many students see a picture, they think of the word in their language, they translate it to English, they check the grammar, and then they speak.
Oh, I know that feeling. It is exhausting. It takes too long. By the time I want to speak, the other person has gone home.
Exactly. Today, our goal is to help you think less and speak more. We want to break the wall between your brain and your mouth.
We have 6 simple steps to help you become fluent. Not perfect, but fluent. Are you ready?
Step number 1 is a mindset change. Stop trying to be perfect.
But Sarah, my teacher corrects every mistake. If I say he have instead of he has, I feel stupid.
Davis, listen to me. In the real world, communication is king. Grammar is just the servant.
Communication is king. I like that. So if I make a mistake, it is okay.
It is 100% okay. Think about a baby. When a baby says, water, want, do you say, no, baby, please say, mother, I would like some water?
No, I just give the baby water because I understand.
Exactly. When you speak English, be like a baby. Don't worry about the small rules. Just get your message out. If you say, yesterday I go to shop, people understand you.
So don't let the fear of mistakes stop you. Open your mouth and speak. Okay, step 2. This is my favorite rule. It's called the KISS principle.
Kiss? You want me to kiss the audience?
No, KISS stands for keep it short and simple.
Ah, I see. Many students try to use big, difficult words to sound smart.
Yes, they want to say, I am currently fatigued and desire to slumber.
Wow, that is too complex. Just say, I am tired, I want to sleep.
Exactly. Simple English is powerful English. Don't build a castle in your head, just build a small house.
So, if you don't know a big word, use a small word. If you don't know a long sentence, make 2 short sentences.
Short sentences are easier to control. Subject, verb, object. I love pizza. She goes home. Simple is beautiful.
Now, step 3 is a practice technique. You need to talk to yourself.
But Sarah, if I talk to myself on the street, people will think I am crazy.
Don't do it on the street. Do it at home. Do it in the shower. Do it when you are cooking.
Okay, but what do I say?
Just describe what you are doing. We call this narrating your life.
For example, if I am making breakfast?
Say it out loud. I am opening the fridge. I am taking 2 eggs. The pan is hot. I like eggs.
Ah, this is good, because there is no pressure. No teacher is listening, no friends are judging.
Exactly. It connects your brain to your mouth. You learn to find words quickly. I can do this in the car, too. The light is red. I am stopping. The sky is blue today.
Yes, do this for 5 minutes every day. It builds confidence.
Sarah, I have a problem. Sometimes I am speaking and I suddenly forget a word. My mind goes blank. I freeze. Don't panic. This brings us to step 4. Describe it.
What do you mean?
If you forget the word for umbrella, what do? Do you stop speaking?
No, I can say,
The thing you use when it rains.
Perfect. Or if you forget the word for doctor.
I can say, the person who helps sick people.
Exactly. This is a survival skill. You don't need the exact word, you can use other words to explain it. So, the animal with a long nose.
Elephant.
The place where planes fly.
Airport. See? We understand. So never stop speaking. Just describe it. Use your hands. Use simple words. Just keep moving.
Step 5 is about sounding natural. Sometimes you need time to think.
Yes, but I usually say, it sounds bad.
We want to replace with filler phrases. These are magic words that buy you time.
Can you give us some examples?
Sure, instead of silence, you can say, "Let me see. You know, that's a good question. Well,
Let me try. Davis, what is your favorite movie? Well, that's a good question. Let me see. I think I like Titanic.
Wow, that sounded very natural. You had 3 seconds to think, but you were speaking English the whole time.
So these phrases are like a bridge over the silence.
Yes, learn these phrases. Keep them in your pocket. Use them when your brain is slow.
Finally, step 6. We need to train our muscles.
Muscles? You mean gym?
No, your mouth muscles, your tongue and your lips. English sounds different from your native language. You need to train your mouth.
The best way is shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and repeat immediately.
Don't wait for the sentence to end. Copy the melody. Copy the emotion.
Let's practice. I will say a sentence. Davis, you shadow me. I am so happy to be here.
I am so happy to be here.
What are you doing later?
What are you doing later?
Do this with our videos. Don't just listen, speak with us.
Wow, we covered a lot today. Let's review the 6 secrets to speaking without thinking. Kill the perfectionist. Mistakes are okay. Kiss. Keep it short and simple. Talk to yourself. Describe your day at home. Describe it. If you forget a word, explain it. Buy time. Use well and let me see. Shadowing. Train your mouth muscles.
Now we have a challenge for you.
Yes. For the next 24 hours, talk to yourself for 2 minutes. Describe your room. Describe your dinner.
And tell us in the comments, I accept the challenge.
We believe in you. You have everything you need to speak English. Just be brave. Think less, speak more, and have fun.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.